sanction today at any cost. I have to do it. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So, I've applied for EL, sir.
Please take a seat.
So, I've applied for EL.
Okay.
So, education loan, sir. These are my papers, sir, for the education loan, sir.
Okay, show them. Your documents are okay, but your liquid is missing.
So, liquid.
Liquid means your property papers.
So, property papers. So, from where should I get these property papers, sir?
You should contact your lawyer for this.
Sir, lawyer, sir.
Yeah, you will have to do this.
Sir, lawyer, sir. Weekend is coming, and so I don't think I have any lawyers or contacts and also.
It's your problem. You should have arranged these documents first.
Sir, but I didn't knew that liquid was also missing and also.
But it's your problem.
So please do something, sir. Sir, any alternative of this, I'll get it done, sir.
Okay, come tomorrow.
So no chance of anything, sir.
No, come.
Okay, thank you. I didn't get any work on day one. My papers are not in progress. I have to get it on day two. So,
Yeah.
so
Have you got your work done?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, it's not possible, sir. Sir, I'm having no lawyer, sir. So I told you yesterday only, sir. So I want the loan at any cost by today, sir. Please, sir.
So you should have done this earlier.
Sir, earlier I tried, but sir, I got the confirmation from the college now only, sir. I didn't get the confirmation earlier, sir. So I would have tried, sir. Please, sir. So I'll see to it that something happens, sir. Please. It's important, sir.
There's one way.
So tell me, sir. So I'll.
Are you having some?
Sir, not much, sir. I can give one. Sir, I'm not having much, sir.
See, if you give, your work will be done very quickly. There will be no more obstacles. I guarantee you. I'm telling.
Sir, no alternative, sir. Sir, work will be done, sir. Earlier,
Sure.
As early
Today,
as possible.
today it will be done. It's my word. No problem. Give it this.
So,
It will be done. I am telling you, it will be done.
sir, you sure,
It's
sir?
I'm giving my word. It will be done.
Sir, it should please, sir.
You go and tell that you've got the loan. You have 99% of work is done. Only 1% is left. You go.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Pune, come here.
Sir, my papers.
Yeah.
Sir.
Here you are.
Sir, work done, sir.
Yeah, you're fully done. You're good to go.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
paper.
Thank you so much, sir.
Go.
Thank you.
Go visit counter number 20. Okay.
Count number 20.
Get the sign of the official loan manager.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank
No,
you. Thank you.
my pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Just go. Counter 20 closed. Shit, yaar. What the? Hey, sir. Sir, excuse me.
What,
Sir.
Ra?
Sir, where's the man who was sitting here on the counter?
He's absent today. Come tomorrow. Come
Sir,
tomorrow.
absent, sir.
No, come tomorrow. Don't waste my time.
Sir.
Come tomorrow.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, these are my loan papers, sir.
What are these?
Sir, loan papers, sir.
For what?
So I have to get it sanctioned, sir, from you, sir.
It's getting late. It's today half time.
Sir, half time is at 12:30. Your man told me only, sir. I have came here at 11:45.
It's
sir.
late.
Sir, why, sir? Sir, it's 11:45, sir. Just have a look, sir. Sir, it will not take more than 5 minutes, sir. Just have a look, small look, sir.
You guys, yeah.
Please, a small glance, sir, please.
Okay, show me your paper fast.
Oh, Mishra ji signed your paper.
Yes, sir.
Mishra ji.
Okay, sit down. I see.
So your paper consists of all the materials. Mishra ji signed.
So for final sign, he told to
Yes,
come
sir.
to
Yes,
me.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mishra ji, took something from you during the signature.
Yes, sir.
So should I also took?
So, I'm not having so much of money, sir. So I'm taking loan. That's why I'm
Kid,
taking
you
the
are
loan,
going
sir.
in a good college and you are doing BTech, the qualifying in a good college or with a rank. So you should pay something for sanctioning all this. Think about it.
Sir, please.
Think about your
sir.
parents.
Sir.
Think something. Yeah, that one. Okay. I'm looking on your papers.
Yes, sir.
I've signed it from my view. Now go
Okay.
to manager's cabin.
So manager, sir.
Yeah, he will do the final sanction. He will provide you the DD and the tuition fees where you
Okay.
can contact.
So, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Next. What's your?
I have to get the education loan.
Okay, yeah, alright.
So, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So, some papers, sir.
Yeah, sit. So you have applied for loan, right?
Yes, sir.
Education.
Education. Yes,
You get your signature. All
yes,
these
sir.
sections.
I got all the signatures from my employees, sir.
Okay. All the papers are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Good work. So it will take some time. Come after a week. Okay.
Sir, after a week, sir, I have to pay the fee within this week, sir. Within Monday. I have to pay, sir.
Son, I can't do anything. It's a procedure, official procedure. So
Sir,
I can't do anything.
procedure,
It will
sir.
take minimum 1 week. Minimum 1 week.
So please, any
No,
alternative
I
of
can't
this,
do-
sir?
No alternatives. No. It's
Sir,
a
you're not
procedure.
understanding my problem, sir.
I'm understanding your problem, but I can't do anything, son. It's a procedure. I have to follow. Sorry, I can't do anything. It will take 1 week. Minimum 1 week. Thank you. You can leave.
You went for the loan? What happened?
It's not getting sanctioned. They all are making fool of me, manager and all the people. I have to get my loan paid till Monday. I have to pay the fees. How will I manage to pay the fees?
I know what happened. Just pay 10,000 to me. Just pay 10,000.
10,000.
What will
I
you
don't
do?
have so much of money. I have paid so much of money to all these people, but from where will I get?
Just pay 10,000. Just. Today, 4 o'clock. Work will be
But work will be done. You sure?
my work will be.
How the work will be done? Tomorrow the bank is closed and
That's
it's
my problem. Just come at 4 o'clock, the papers will be ready. Just arrange 10,000. Just 10,000.
You sure?
It's my guarantee.
Okay then. Take the papers, but it's your guarantee.
Just arrange 10,000.
So,
Yeah, please come in. Have a seat.
so my papers.
Yeah, you have applied for the student loan, right?
Yes, sir.
Education loan. Yeah, here it is. So it's done, and you will be getting your loan soon.
So, thank you, sir.
No, don't thank me. I have done nothing. You have done all the things.
Actually, sir. Sir, but these papers are alright, sir. You sanctioned me the loan of 3,48,000, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, but I think that I should get the receipt of all the things I paid, all the rupees I
What
paid to
receipt?
your Mishra ji, your Pandey ji, and sir, Reddy G2. I guess I paid around 12,000 rupees to both students, sir. So shouldn't I get the receipt of those things, sir?
Receipt.
Every day, our country faces many bribery cases in various government sectors. We gave an example how a poor student who applied for a loan for his education was affected by the various kind of bribery in the bank. Every day, many such poor people are affected. We on the behalf of ethics lab class are here to tell how this bribery has affected the world and how it's eating our small sector. So, on behalf of my colleagues, Mohit, Aman, Aditya and Astik, we take a bow. Thank you.
Thank you. Done now. The loan will be retake.
No, it's too late.
Sir,
I can't
please, sir.
do
Sir,
anything.
I have to go to the university, sir. Please listen to me, sir. Sir, last date, sir. It's the last date, sir. I have to get it done.
अबे 2 बज गया और क्या इतनी मेहनत
अगर रिकॉर्डिंग वाला पूछ रही है 2 बजे खिला रहा
अबे यार
मेरा कोई सीन बचा है अरे तू
भाई तेरा एक ही जिंदाबाद
हो गया यार।
तू पीवीआर में है क्या
वो दे दे।
है मतलब एक तरीके से देखा इसने बहुत ही बड़ा आधा काम तो इस पे हुआ कहाँ ले जाते
So I have to get my loan paper signed, sir.
ठीक
Please,
है या बट आई हैव टू हम लेंगे क्यों लेंगे
अच्छा।
बट आई हैव टू गो इट्स
So I have to pay my fees at any cost, sir. So I have to do it, sir.
अरे,
Please do it,
ऐसे
sir.
बोल
Please,
रहे
sir. Please see to it, sir. Please, sir. It will be a problem for me, sir. Please, sir.
ठीक है प्लीज का सो प्लीज भी आगे भिखारी बन गए सो थिंक अबाउट दैट थिंक अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स थिंक अबाउट योर फ्यूचर
I have to pay the fees tomorrow. ठीक है? चेंज करके मुझे क्या बोलूं? तेरे को बोलना है? जा रहा हूँ। बोलना है लौट आना। हैं? तेरे को बोलना पड़ेगा लौट आना। उसको बोलेगा। जैसे जाता हाँ जैसे जा रहा होगा so what's your work? हाँ जो तू बोले मुझसे कहे what's your work? वो बोलेगा sir my loan I have to get my loan passed. तो बोलेगा okay go.
हाँ बस ठीक है रिवाइंड कर देना उसको बाद में फिर से कर लेना
और मोटे
तू गरीब है।
गरीब है मादर चोर लोन लेने आ रहा है हमसे ये सब कर लिया
But sir, I'm not seeing any receipt over here, sir. Of
What is
those rupees which I paid to your clerks, your clerk too, then your peon, sir. Sir,
योर ने ऐसे बोलना योर मिश्रा जी
your Mishra ji, your Pandey ji.
बस ऐसी
अरे बस पांडे
पांडे जी ऐसे बोलना
कैमरा
योर मिश्रा जी योर पांडे
And your secretary, and your secretary Reddy ji, sir.
वाह चल चल ठीक है ऐसे बोले ना फिर आगे तेरी हंसी आएगी और इसमें थोड़ा शौक वाला आएगा और उस टाइम पे पकड़ है और एक और बात क्या बोलना है